You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively in the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Move the carpet out of the way. To remove the light block, you must remove the screw which is located on the trunk. To do this, use a 10mm spanner. Extract the light box by pulling it towards you. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. To reassemble the whole thing, carefully put the connector board in place, then push down so the tabs clip it in.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You can then reconnect the connector. Insert the light into the compartment, paying careful attention to position the trunk seal correctly. Finally, finish by screwing the holding nut with a spanner. Put the carpet back in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helps you, like and subscribe.